What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Justin Norm. I am getting ready to start my first attempt at recording a brand new song. Well, it really isn't a brand new song, but it's a song that I kind of wrote a little while ago, and I had never been able to lay it out. It was started off as being an a cappella song, and I really like the groove, so I'm gonna start trying to put something together. Now, I will be using some of the sounds that are in Waveform, but I'm also going to be using some of the sounds that are from Splice, as well as any other sounds that I might find in here from other DAWs. So let's get started. So I already have my Splice samples that I think I might be using. I might refer back to Splice later on. This is going to be a multi-part series, so you're not going to catch everything in one video. So you definitely need to subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna walk you through, and this, I mean literally walk you through, because I have not done this totally yet in Waveform. I have not recorded a song in Waveform. So this is gonna be my very first song recording in Waveform. And yeah, I'm anxious to see how that's gonna go. All right, let's go ahead and record this first track. Now this is a drum loop, and I know exactly what loop I'm gonna use. I had to set, my BPM was already set to 120. So we're gonna go about recording that right now. Hey. Yeah. Okay. Let's put this on a different track. And then let's just drag it. Yeah, let's just drag it. Let's just delete this track. We don't even need this track at all, period. Okay, so we got our wave. And yeah, so let's just listen to that. Make sure it's cool. Okay, right now, of course, it's peaking. I'm gonna bring it down a little bit. Cool, sounds good. Now, what I'm gonna do with this track 2, I guess I can name this drum loop again, since I had to erase the other track, is I'm going to put some EQ on here. I'm not gonna do it right now, but I'll do it later. Because I like to record all my stuff first, and then I can go back and start editing and adding effects and all that kind of stuff. It's easier to do that, and it also keeps you from using so much CPU and so much memory. And paste, I think that's right. So listen to it. Oh, what the heck was that? I don't know how I did that. Okay, I copied something that wasn't right. All right, so it's coming along. I know this is a very slow process. You know what? I'm not even liking that bass drum now. I'm deleting it. Okay, I like the snare drum. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Then I can move this around. I could put it like right there. I could put it like right here. I can put it right there. Yeah, I don't like that though. Nope, don't need this one. Yeah, that's better. And then what I want to do, you know, I'm going to go ahead and do it with this now. I'm going to put this on this EQ for this. Right click. So, I can do an insert directly to it, or add a clip effect. Maybe I'll do an add a clip effect, and let's do a, and actually, to be honest, I can 3-band EQ is probably fine. So let me hear this real quick, because I'm really, what I want to do is just kind of take the lows out. Let's hit it. Okay, probably not that much. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right, I do need the bass drum right here. And what I'm doing is I'm just kind of trying to give it like a feel, but not really like have it so dominant. Say that. Okay, that snare is like hot. Bring it down some. All right, I meant it somehow. You got to be careful with that E. I'm gonna find out a way if I can lock that. I'm gonna change that key because I don't want E to be the key that mutes everything, because that's gonna be crazy. Good thing. I would do more with the drums, or deal more with the drums later on. I'm not really worried about the drums. Let's go to the 4 oscillator. Ooh, that's fat. Let me see what else is there. This got some fat sounds, yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Okay, I don't need nothing that long though. Let's see what we got. What's this, rubber? Hot on that record. Okay. Ooh, it's got some bottom too. Just ooh, it's got some bottom to it. Does it have some bottom to it on y'all end? Tell me. I know it's got some bottom. I can feel it. I can feel it just in here. Shoot. So anyway, all right, let's try to record something with that. Okay. Should I like duplicate that and record it again? Oh yeah, let's duplicate this track and then let's play it real soft and mellow. Save that. That's right. Okay. Say that. Ooh, so you can, whoo, you feel that bottom on that sucker? Yeah, and let's do this one. I'm adjust the attack. So you got to get this precise. And normally there should be, oh, snap to grid. There we go. Okay, there we go. Right click, press snap to grid. I had it on earlier, but I don't know why I got cut off. So anyway, this is the first part, you all. Now, I don't know exactly how long this song is going to take to complete, but I'm going to try to do it little bit by little bit. Now, I'm going to be making other tutorials on this channel. So if you have any questions so far, like I said, this is Waveform Explored. I am learning it just like you are, and you might even be more of an expert than I am. So pop a question down below. Let me know, do you use Waveform yet? Or did you just stumble upon it? And how do you like the operation of it so far? I think I really like it. It's a little different in Cakewalk. There's a lot of capabilities that you can do in here that I believe you can do in Cakewalk. And I'm going to still talk about those things because I'm still discovering new stuff. Like, all right. So, but anyway, if you are new to the channel, definitely subscribe because I would love to see this channel reach 100 subscribers by the end of August. Okay. End of August, 100 subscribers. Help me out, please. Help this channel grow so that way I can spread these videos to more people. All right. I love you all. I'm just a Norm. Take care.